Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to cancel Western Union transfer. Now sometimes, after sending money, you might realize you made a mistake, maybe you entered the wrong details, sent the wrong amount, or simply changed your mind. Don't worry, it happens, and the good news is that in many cases, you can still cancel the transfer if it hasn't been picked up or completed yet. In this video, I'm going to break everything down for you in a simple and easy to follow way, so you'll know exactly what to do without any confusion. I'll also point out a few important things you need to watch out for, so you don't run into any problems during the cancellation process. So, if you want to learn how to cancel your Western Union transfer quickly and the right way, stick around and let's get started. Alright, let's go through this step by step so it's super easy to follow. First, open your Western Union dashboard, either on the app or website, and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, go to the top right side of the screen and look for the menu icon with the three lines. Click on it, and a list of options will appear. From there, select History. This is where you can see all the transactions you've made. After clicking on History, a new screen will open showing your recent transfers. Find the specific transfer you want to cancel and click on it to view more details. Now, if the transfer is still eligible for cancellation, you'll see a Cancel button. Go ahead and click that, then follow the instructions on the screen to confirm the cancellation. Make sure to review everything before confirming so you don't cancel the wrong transaction. However, if you don't see a Cancel button, that usually means the transfer has already been completed or picked up by the receiver. In that case, you won't be able to cancel it from the app or website. Your next option would be to visit a Western Union agent location in person and speak with them directly. They might guide you on other possible solutions depending on the situation. And that's it, just follow these steps carefully and you'll be able to cancel your transfer if it's still available. Alright, that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Now you know exactly how to check your transaction history and cancel a Western Union transfer if it's still available. Just remember, timing is very important. If the money hasn't been picked up yet, you usually have a good chance of canceling it. But once it's completed, your best option is to contact support or visit a physical location for help. Make sure you always double check your details before sending money next time to avoid needing to cancel in the first place. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.